Find the angle between the lines. 2x, first question is 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 and y minus 3x equal to 7. The two lines they have given, we can find out the angle between the two lines. The formula of the angle between the two lines is cos theta equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square under root of a2 square plus b2 square. This is the formula. Okay, by using this formula, we can find out the angle in between of the two lines. First, I'm taking the first problem, that is 2x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. It is comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 1. And the second equation is y minus 3x equal to 7, that is 3x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Here a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 1. Apply in the form cos theta equal to a1 a2, that is 2 into 3 plus b1 b2, 1 into minus 1 by under root of 2 square plus 1 square under root of 3 square plus of minus 1 whole square. Cos theta equal to 2 3s are 6 minus 1 1s are 1 under root of 2 2s are 4 plus 1 root 5 under root of 3 3s are 9 plus 1. So 10 is equal to 5 by root 5 into root 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. 5 by 5 root 2. 5 1s are 5 1s are. Cancel 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 is the cos 45 degrees value. So angle theta equal to 45 degrees. This is the solution for angle in between of the two lines. Okay. The second problem is, in this, for the second one, a1 is equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 1, a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to 1. It is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Just you can take the coefficients of x and y. Then the angle in between of the two lines is theta, then cos theta equal to a1 a2. Here a1 is 2, a2 is 1 plus b1 is minus 1, b2 is 1 by under root of 2 square plus minus 1 whole square under root of 1 square plus 1 square. These 2 1s are 2 minus 1 1s are 1 under root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 is 5 under root of 1 square plus 1 square is 2. It is equal to 1 by root 10. Then theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 10 is the angle. For the third one, a1 is equal to 2, b1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to minus 1. So cos theta equal to 2 3s are 6 minus b1 b2 is 1 under root of 2 square is 4 plus 1 is 5 under root of 3 square 9 plus 1 is 10 is equal to 5 by root 5. Root 10 can be written as root 5 into root 2, 5 by root 5 root 5 5. So 1 by root 2, theta equal to 45 degrees. Why? Because 1 by root 2 value is cos 45. The similar way you can do the last two problems as homework. Next problem, fourth one, find the distance of the point 3 comma minus 5 from the line 3x minus 4y minus 26 equal to 0. This is a line equation. This is a P point. We can find out the distance from point P to the line means, first we can recall the formula. What is that? The distance from P point to straight line equation L is D equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. First, the first problem is the point P equal to 3 comma minus 5. It is equal to x1 comma y1. And the straight line L is represented as a1x plus or ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that is 3x minus 4y minus 26 equal to 0. Now we can apply in the distance formula, that is small d is equal to modulus of a is 3, x1 is 3, minus b is 4, y1 is minus 5, c is minus 26 by under root of a square means 3 square plus b square is minus 4 whole square. Here from the comparing of these two lines, a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 4, c equal to minus 26. So it is equal to modulus 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus 5 4s are 20 minus 26 by under root of 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. With negative is also it will become positive. That is equal to 29 minus 26 by its root 25 means it will become 5. So D is equal to 3 by 5 is the distance from the point to the line. In the same way, second problem is P point is equal to 2 comma 3. It is equal to x1 comma y1. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is the representing of the line equation. Then the line is 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So the distance from the point to line is modulus of 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 5 by under root of 2 square plus 3 square. So D is equal to 2 to the 4 plus 3 3 is 9 plus 5 by root of 4 plus 3 3 is 9. It is D equal to 13 plus 5. It's 18. 18 by root 13. Similarly, you can do the third problem. Next problem, find the distance between the parallel lines. First, we can observe the lines, how to recognize those are parallel. The parallel lines means only the constant will be different. Ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. That is nothing but x and y coefficients are equal, only constants are different. Just you can observe the equations. The first one is 3x plus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. Second one is 3x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 6 equal to 0. Here x coefficients are same in the two equations, x and y. Just constants are different. How to find out the distance between the two parallel lines means we know that the distance between two parallel lines equal to small d equal to modulus of c2 minus c1 by under root of a square plus b square. In the first question, comparing with the parallel lines, a is equal to 3, b equal to 2, c1 equal to 2, c2 equal to minus 9. So in this distance d equal to modulus of minus 9 minus 2 by under root of 3 square plus 2 square. It is equal to modulus minus 11 by under root 3 3s are 9 plus 2 2s are 4. So 11 by root 13 is the distance. For the second question, A equal to 3, B equal to 4, C1 equal to 2, C2 equal to minus 6. So the distance formula is D equal to modulus of C2 minus C1 minus 6 minus 2 by under root of 3 square plus 4 square equal to minus 8 mod under root of 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. It's 8 by 5 is the distance. For third one, A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C1 equal to 5, C2 equal to 9. So D equal to modulus of 9 minus 5 by under root of 4 plus 9 equal to 4 by root 13. Fourth one, D equal to minus 2 minus 3 by under root of 2 square plus 1 square equal to 5 by root 5. That is D equal to root 5. Fifth one is equal to 4 minus D is 4 minus 7 by under root of 9 plus minus 4 whole square 16. It is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. In the MSET point of view, how we can do in the shortcut, just we can apply. Next problem, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point and parallel to the line. 3x plus 7y plus 1 equal to 0. Again, we can recall. If the parallel line the equation of the line, the required equation of the straight line passing through P point x1 comma y1 and parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 equal to 0. Substitute in the given line equation is 3x plus 7y plus 1 equal to 0. P point is minus 2 comma minus 4. Here 3 into x minus into minus plus 2, or if you get confusion, x minus of minus 2 plus 7 into y minus of minus 4 equal to 0. From this, 3 into x plus 2 plus 7 into y plus 4 equal to 0. 3x plus 3 2s are 6 plus 7y, 7 4s are 28 equal to 0. 3x plus 7y plus 34 equal to 0 is the required line equation which is parallel to the given equation 3x plus 7y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the formula. For the all problems are depends on the formula only. If you remember the formula, then it can be easy to solve. The second one is, again we can recall the formula. The equation of the straight line passing through P point x1 comma y1 and perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is b into x minus x1 minus a into y minus y1 equal to 0. The given equation is P point is 3 comma minus 4. L equation is 3x plus 5y minus 21 equal to 0. Here, a is equal to 3, b equal to 5. This we can apply in the formula of the perpendicular to the given line is 5 into x minus 3 minus 3 into y minus of minus 4 equal to 0. 5x minus 5 3 is 15 minus 3y minus into minus plus into minus 3 4 is 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So the required equation is 5x minus 3y minus 27 equal to 0.